The elderly in Chile's remote coastal town of Sapallar are literally looking to the skies for their medication, thanks to a pilot drone delivery program headed by local officials. The heavy-duty drones are loaded in the city center with a bag of supplies, then delivered to elderly residents, among the most vulnerable amid social distancing. Operated by remote control, residents are welcoming their essential items with open arms.
I find it wonderful that the drone comes to bring us the medicine. It's a primary necessity for us.
While the town's posh coastline is an escape for Santiago's rich and famous, its interior is poorer and isolated. Mayor Gustavo Alessandri says the town's pilot program is designed to